Hello guys, it's Ishan, and welcome back to another fresh new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Yeager from Attack on Titan. Without any more talking, let's dive into the video. Watch till the end. I hope you will learn how to draw a Yeager.
Stuck in a prison of doubt, in this ocean, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. To shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this ocean. reaching out, I'm reaching.
That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, then subscribe to the channel and like the video to give me motivation. If you learned how to draw this character, then try drawing by yourself.